Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Shio Koji. Shio Koji is a Japanese miracle seasonings that makes everything so special and delicious. Especially it makes vegetables so good. And I love to season my kabocha and mushrooms. You can add the multiple layers of umami to your dish. Let's get started. First thing first, we will sanitize the jar with the hot boiling water. Make sure to use a very clean jar because it takes a week to 10 days to complete the fermentation. No germs and any harmful things should leave out. Place the hot jar upside down until it dries out the moisture. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ingredients. If you are using a Rice Koji comes in block, separate them into individual grains by pounding. Place Rice Koji into a jar along with the salt. Mix until evenly distributed like so, and then add water. It depends on how dry your koji is. I end up adding about 2 cups. It's 400 milliliters. Cover the lid and leave it at cool dark place for at least 1 week to 10 days. It depends on the room temperature, and my room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius at daytime and 10 degrees at night. Give it a nice stir to provide oxygen once a day. The first day it looks like this. Obviously, Rice Koji is not absorbing the water and it looks like kind of dry, but do not add any water and let it sit for the next day. The second day, water comes up to the surface, but still Rice Koji looks white and it's not absorbing the water. Give it a nice stir again, and of course you are using the clean chopsticks or spoons. Day 3, it looks a little bit moist, but still a white Rice Koji remaining, and it's not moistened. And it should smell mellow, but it does not have a good smell. Day 4, it looks more paste-like, but some Rice Koji remains white, and the mellow fermented aroma has not really developed yet. The day 5, it looks like almost done, but as you see, some of the grains are still white. The taste comes closer, but I want some more sweetness to it. Day 6, a little bit more liquidity and smells are mellow and a little bit of sweetness. And almost done, but let it sit 1 more day. Day 7. It looks good and smells really nice, and the taste is so good. So let's stop fermentation on the day 7. But you can always add a little bit more days to develop the deep flavor if you like. But do not overdo it because there's always a chance that unwanted germs contaminated into the Shio Koji and ruin everything. You can find some Rice Koji at grocery store and some still has a grain in it, but I don't want my dish look like grainy, so I use the blender to make it smooth. And I want to use it easy, so I transfer to a squeeze bottle to use it anytime I want. You can keep it in a refrigerator and it's good for up to a year, but it's not really go bad because the fermentation process makes it more flavorful and aromatic. It's salty but has a comforting aroma and sweetness to it and have umami itself. It's like a mother sauce of Japanese cooking. Alright, that's it for today. You can make your delicious vegetable dishes with the Shio Koji and I'm gonna show you how to use it in the next videos. Thanks for watching.